up my suitcase. My suitcase. I choose.
Nataka
Ndogo.
Sikubwa sana.
hizi au zile?
Namgoje hizo ndogo mwenye babana.
Nataka hizi, wataka zile?
Hizi ni sawa.
Hizi?
Yeah. So it's just little stuff.
Hii ni 28.
Najua kule unazona kule za kana kule nyuma.
Hey guys, so as I was saying, I am at a suitcase shop going to get for myself suitcase. Yeah, this suitcase is for, I will reveal to you all soon the reason why I'm getting a suitcase. But yeah, the suitcase shop, it doesn't have a name, but it's located up I think Jalabaridi. At Pranzo, we're having lunch. We ordered mandi, a soup, mandi here. Sema ordered chips. It's so small. 15,000. Guys, we are from La Pranzo Hotel, Aldiwan, I don't know, Arabian restaurant. Rating it 6 out of 10. I didn't like the way the service was. It was not that nice. It was a lot of like, you know, hectic and stuff. But anyway, here we are tumekula tumeshiba. We are at Quick Mart, Apo Bandari. Quick Mart. We're checking some freezers and then I'll just show you around. Ah, nice.
34,000. It's small, isn't it?
Yeah, it's small, but see, it's okay. Mes amis, my mom is leaving me behind. Anyway, we've already decided which appliance we want to take. Right now, I'm just walking, seeing for some sofas, you know. They're just appliances of the house that you need. Kuna some shoes, kuna coffee tables, chairs. Wacha tu. Let's go and check them out. Ilikuwa ni gani yatuambia? Oh. Kina bridal shower zote pinky. Mwenye kitanda ma. I don't want kitanda.
60K.
Johnny mkule jamani, meza ndio hiyo tuko nayo. This section, huh? Oh, this nice appliances for the rice cooker, the blender, mixer, juicer. Hizi zote mpeno na vangu pia. Utakununulia ya nyumba yangu. Say hi. Ma, the big fridges. Huh? How much? Like what? 129. 299. Numbers mbona inanichanganya? Maths, utajuaje maths napata ngapi? This is our freezer. We are tired. Tumefanya kazi mingi leo. Tumezunguka. Acha tuishie nyumbani. Twende zetu nyumbani jamani. Mezamizi wa so tired. Nzuri. Ya red ama? Yes, uhema. Tena.
Mana.
Hello, mes amis. We're back home. I'm so freaking tired. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Your girl here has had a very day. Ndo tumefika nyumbani. I'm tired. Anyways, see you in the next vlog. Ciao.